Hello everyone, this is Samil Halani, a student pursuing the final semester of Bachelor's in Engineering in Information Technology from Government Engineering College Gandhinagar. I am here to demonstrate the working and the use of our final year project, Surveillance Secured, an effort towards more safety. This is a project prepared by a team of three students, namely me, that is Samil Halani, Shrutam Agrawat, and Sachin Panchal, under the guidance of our Honorable Professor M.N. Patel. The project aim is to enhance the security of all the places where digital security can be applied. One just needs a camera good enough to detect faces. As per our study, the security at places or institutions having expensive valuables have been enhanced highly to reduce heists, robbery, theft, and other crimes. Yet, the security features are not developed enough to eliminate the complete probability of contingencies. Normally, if some unauthorized person has acquired all the required data to unlock the security, he or she will be able to get access to the valuables and successfully commit further ill-intended activities by exploiting the security. Hence, digital security is of extreme importance in this time of the digital age. With the help of our potential software, the security is less likely to breach even with correct credentials. Through this software, an instant response would be sent to the company and the state authorities, and necessary actions would be taken. Even if one forcefully convinces an authorized person to grant access, the software will block the access using face recognition and artificial intelligence. Face recognition would continuously operate in the background. The software would work similar to a two-step authentication process consisting of password and face recognition with extended features. Let us discuss how face recognition works here. As I said earlier, the face recognition would operate in the background, and so we won't be able to show you how that works while working on the website. So let us first see how the faces are recognized and how the data of the face is stored. The face recognition is done in Python programming language using libraries like OpenCV and dlib. For recognizing a face, first of all, we need a face to compare. So let us start by adding a face as data for the program. We run the add face function and that prompts the webcam to open up and start recording. This recording is then used by the previously mentioned libraries to extract the data about the face. Now, as we have entered a face to compare with, we can now run the face recognition program. If the face is recognized, the respective data stored in our database is displayed on the screen. So let us run the program now. So now we see that the data related to the face is shown on the screen, which says that the face is recognized. If some unauthorized user tries to access it, the face won't get recognized. So now let's see how this thing works on a website. The website we have used here is the simplest form of website because the main focus of our project is the security provided for the website and not the website itself. So let us open the website. We will first see how the registration of a user is done. The user has to fill his name, surname, email ID and password which he will use to log in to the website. Here we will also see a list which we almost never see anywhere else. This is the option where the user selects a specific feature of his face as a special key to log in. Without this key, the user himself will not be able to log in to the website. The user can set his smile, his eyeglasses, his sunglasses, blinking of his eyes as the specific key. The user has to smile when he logs in if he selects smile. Similarly, he has to wear eyeglasses or sunglasses or blink his eyes 3 times respectively. As the user clicks the register button, all this data pertaining to this user is registered to the database. Now let us see the process of login. The user enters his email ID and password which he registered and clicks on the login button. While the user does this, the face recognition function is running in the background. If an unauthenticated user tries to log in, he or she won't be able to log in as the face won't get recognized. Instead, the face details would be saved and the actual user will be informed about this attempt for login along with the face details of the intruder. Also, if the user is forced to log in, he or she can just not use the special key feature while logging. Example, if he set the smile feature, he should not smile when he tries to log in and wow, the access won't be granted even if the user enters the correct details without the special key. Let us discuss the feature of remote access. We will consider an example here. In case of an emergency, if the boss is not present and the secretary has to log in urgently, then the secretary can ask the boss for access and upon getting the approval by the boss remotely, the secretary is allowed the access for a limited period of time. Let us discuss another feature of this project. Suppose user A is using his account to view some confidential data and user B tries to peek in and have a look at the data without the knowledge of user A or in the absence of user A. This security feature is quite remarkable. The software will automatically lock the account and safeguard the data if an unauthorized user has a look at it. So, if someone manages to log in by ill means, he or she still will not be able to access the data as the security will block the access. This is a great feature of our project. So, this was all about our project Surveillance Secured, an effort towards more safety. We aim to deliver our best and give a boost to the existing security technology with a small contribution from our side. Furthermore, we hope to enhance this security and add more features to it. As it is said, prevention is better than cure. We aim to prevent all the crimes and contingencies at our best. If you have any further questions, then you can contact me on samilhalani1999 @gmail.com. Thank you for watching.